meet this Chiny girl on Instagram, dog. Chiny? Yeah, dog. The girl I'm telling you. You come in, no? You don't want a girl? Yeah, dog, but I don't know if you look girl, man, yo. You know if you look girl, dog? Man, you know I look if you look girl, man. Come in, dog, me help you, dog. Come in, no? You need a girl, dog. You help me? Yeah, dog. It's not fun. Go for the girl, yeah, you. Hi. See if I'm rolling sound like, kind of like you, I'm a friend, something come talk to you and thing, and just like you. I don't know if you like me and thing. You like me?
No.
Why? Why you like me?
I don't know you.
You really don't? See? Touch my body, bring me on the floor, bring me on right, bring me down. Touch my body, baby, yeah. Touch my body.
Hey, stop.
Yo, you know, I have something to show you. I have iPhone,
Me have one too.
but my one white.
Now one have case.
But just please give me a number now.
Alright. First one.
Yeah, give me a number for you.
Yeah. Don't call me WhatsApp me.